To install the EBF with HTTPS, first download the software from Linux link. You will require 7Z compression tool to extract the EBF software. Install using the command below if not already installed. Change your current directory to the location where you have downloaded the EBF software. Extract the EBF software directory from the downloaded file by running the below command. After extracting the EBF software, run the below command. It will ask for a new installation or an upgrade. Choose option 1 for the new installation option. Press enter to read the EULA, End User License Agreement. To accept the EULA terms, type yes or hit enter. Type Y or Y to enable Lava option or EBF or hit enter to disable Lava option. Type Y to enable HTTPS support. Type Y or Y to update the Docker network range or hit enter to continue with the default network range. Hit enter to generate the default certificate for HTTPS support. Hit enter to set the default DNS or provide any valid DNS name or IP address. EBF installation will be started. After successful installation of EBF software, change the current directory to /data/timesys/ebf/setup. Use cat with settings.conference file and look at the host IP address.